Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share something helpful for all Mehndi lovers out there, especially if you are learning or want to improve your skills. I ordered a Mehndi practice sheet with a printed hand picture and also a set of 12 Mehndi cones for practice. Let's take a closer look. This is the practice sheet. The handprint looks realistic, which makes it perfect for trying out different designs and patterns. The quality is really good. I have also got these 12 Mehndi cones. They are great for daily practice, especially if you are just starting out. The flow is smooth and consistent and it works really well. As you can see, the cone glides smoothly on the surface. I'm really happy with this purchase. This sheet is reusable and the cones are perfect for practice. If you are learning Mehndi or just want to improve your designs, I definitely recommend trying this out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.